Good afternoon. I'm Jason Rzucidlo, reporting for AmericaJR.com, and I'm being joined by Mr. John Shelton, Vice President of Sales and Marketing at Zehnder. How are you today?
I'm doing fabulous. Thank yourself.
Very good. Thank you so much. So we're here to talk about the 2024 Zehnder Snowfest. Please get started. Tell me some highlights.
Well, we're excited. It's our 33rd year, and we're very proud of that fact. We kick off Zehnder Snowfest 2024 on Wednesday, January 24th, with our All Things Chocolate Baking Contest, which is very popular. And the event is being sponsored by Michigan Sugar. We appreciate everything that they do for that event. But that kicks off Snowfest, and it starts on the 24th, and it concludes on Sunday, the 28th. We have some of the best snow carvers and ice carvers throughout the country that participate in the event. But we have bands, we have fireworks, we have a petting zoo, all types of entertainment for young and old alike.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. So how would you say this year's Snowfest is similar or different from the last year?
Well, it's a lot different this year because we actually have snow. I think I'm the only person in the state of Michigan. Last year, it never really got cold. So we had trouble because typically, historically, we make the snow. We have a snow gun we put in our parking lot, but it never got cold enough. So we actually had snow trucked in from northern Michigan, but we didn't get enough to do all of our snow sculpting events. But we're only hours away from a major snowstorm this weekend. We're only hours away from really cold temperatures. So we're going to have plenty of snow. So we don't have to eliminate any of the programming that we did last year.
Okay, great. So about how many ice and snow sculptures will be on display?
We have on display, we'll have 115 ice carvings throughout town, and we'll have about 80 snow blocks on display. And they all vary in size. We have our world-class single and double block competition. They'll actually start arriving on that Monday, which would be the 22nd, and start working as early as Tuesday. Those are more exhibition type pieces. We even have a team from France this year. We also then will kick off on Wednesday evening our state competition. There's 20 teams in that event. Then our high school competition will start on that Thursday morning, and we have, I believe, 19 high schools, area high schools in that event. And then we also do throughout the week a children's event. We have over about 300 to 400 elementary school kids that we put up snow blocks. They get to kind of perform on that. We really kind of teaching them the art form of snow carving. And then on Friday and Saturday is our NICA Alumni Challenge. These are people that have placed in NICA Collegiate Ice Carving competitions historically, and it's an alumni event, and we have 8 people in that event, and they'll be carving a single block, and then they'll team up on Saturday for a double block competition of all ice.
All right, that sounds great. And you also have the ice rink, right? That was very popular.
Well, yeah, this is our 3rd year. It's the Frankenmuth ice rink. It's very, very popular. I think in the first 2 years, they've had about 18,000 people throughout the season. The season is really Thanksgiving to February. End of February is the season, and Snowfest is a great opportunity for people to come and enjoy the ice rink. We also do a multi-block about, I'm going to say, I think it's 90 blocks this year of ice carving. That's Greg Vutowski. Rock on Ice is that company. They come out of the Cleveland area, and he'll be doing it's a under the water sea theme for 2024. And it's a wonderful interactive exhibition piece that people take a lot of pictures of. They get to sit on thrones and kind of interact with the ice itself.
Okay, cool. You also have the warming tent with the live entertainment.
Well, it's the ever popular warming tent, Jason. And yes, you're absolutely correct. That's where we have a lot of our Snowfest sponsor exhibits booths in that warming tent. That's where we have our magic shows. We have all of our entertainment. Friday is country night. Hatchwing Riders, the name of the band that's playing on Friday. Then Saturday we have 3 different bands performing, highlighting on that evening the rock show, but there's the Stone Street Survival during the day. And we also have the ever popular US 338th Army Band. One of the most enjoyable events that I really is their patriotic concert, which will start at 10 a.m. on Saturday morning. And they have a variation of their bands as well. They have a a country band that will be performing on Friday. They have a rock band, and they do a more of a wind ensemble within that group as well. That's very, very popular with our Snowfest participants and attendees. And so we just encourage people to come out. It's Saturday is kind of like the peak day, simply for the fact that that's when we have our fireworks show, which is approximately 6:45 on Saturday, January 27th. And we anticipate about through the whole weekend, or the whole event, I should say, about 100,000 people coming through Frankenmuth and visiting.
Yeah, I was gonna say fireworks show in the winter doesn't happen very often.
Well, it's some people have said, come up to me and go, "Oh, it's the best fireworks show I've ever seen." I'm going, "Oh, really? It's not. It's the only time you see it in the winter." Here's what's so positive about the fireworks in the wintertime. First and foremost, it starts at 6:45 or 7 o'clock. So mom and dad who have young kids don't have to keep their kids up to 10 o'clock or at night just to see the show. And secondly, because which we will have, you have any type of patina of snow, when it bursts in a clear sky like that, you see the reflection on the snow in the banks, and it's really, really kind of pretty. And so that's what's unique about it, is the fact that you normally don't get to see this in the wintertime, and it has those different changes, meaning, number one, first and foremost, you don't have to sit around at 10 o'clock at night to watch the fireworks, because it gets dark so early in the wintertime.
Yeah, and you said you got cold weather on the way. So how long will the snow and ice remain on display?
Oh gosh, we've been historically, I mean, it all depends on the weather. Obviously, we've got cold weather coming that we can make the snow. But if we had temperatures in the teens, the 20s, we've had the snow carvings and ice carvings last for up to 10 to 14 days after the event.
Wow.
The warmer it is, the quicker they're going to deteriorate. We've had, unfortunately, some of the snow blocks crumble within hours of us judging. So if we have anything in the 40s, they're going to deteriorate probably by within 72 hours of the conclusion of the event. If you have typical temperatures in below freezing, they can last anywhere from 7 to 14 days after the event.
Oh, okay. And you're expecting a very large crowd. So where should people handle the parking?
Well, parking's always a challenge, so we always encourage people to come early. But we do provide shuttle service from Bronner's parking lot, which is just 7/10 of a mile south of Zehnder's, and people will park, and then we shuttle you more closer to downtown. There's our golf course, the Fortress, where people have parking as well, and then we also have shuttle in the residential area that can people can come down and get closer to Zehnder's. But if you want something downtown, Jason, you need to get here on Saturday, definitely by 11 a.m. in the morning.
Oh, okay.
But people figure it out. Like I said, this is our 33rd year, and it's the old saying, "Build it and they will come." Well, we've been very blessed that they've been coming.
Yeah. Any other final comments?
We just encourage people to come on out, enjoy the festivities. Look forward to have everyone, and we think it's going to be another successful event.
Yeah, it sounds like it will be. And people can enjoy wonderful fried chicken dinners too.
Oh yeah, well that's always popular, and you can't go wrong with the all-you-can-eat family-style chicken dinner here at Zehnder's.
All right. Thanks so much. Nice talking with you again.
Jason, thanks for having me on, and as always, I always look forward to talking to you, and we'll do it again next year.
All right. That sounds great.
All right, my friend. Take care. You have a great day.
You too. Thank you.